to weddings, there can be a lot of opinions, but on Friday in Illinois, one couple gave new meaning to the phrase, have it your way. NBC's John Yang has this fast food fairy tale.
It was a whopper of a wedding.
You may kiss your bride.
Joel Berger marrying Ashley King. That's right, the Burger King nuptials. Joined in matrimony for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, with French fries or with onion rings. Joel and Ashley have been friends since grade school, which is when a guest speaker saw their destiny.
Joel Berger, Ashley King. Burger King. And he said, you guys are Burger King. So that's how that happened.
At high school homecoming, King Burger and Queen King.
And they kind of tried to deny that they were dating for a long time and they were just friends, but everybody knew it was more than that.
After a local newspaper columnist wrote about their engagement, Burger King, the restaurant, offered up goodies like special mason jars used at the reception, where the fare was definitely not fast food. And what would the Burger King wedding be without crowns? Then they offered up a little something on the side.
We have one more custom item that I just want to show you.
No way!
Yes, it's on us.
Joel and Ashley's wedding generated interest from Australia to England.
Instead of 5 seconds of fame, it was couple weeks and months, so it was pretty cool.
Now the question, will the bride take her husband's name?
I will be a burger. I am a burger.
And an applause for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Joel and Ashley Burger.
Her last name will be Burger, but it forever will be Burger King.
Till death do them part, they'll have it their way. Whopper! For today, John Yang, NBC News.
That's just a fun story.
Cool. It's fun. Way to make it memorable.
Yeah, it must be a trend, too. I heard next week the Macs are marrying the Donalds.
There you go.
It's a whole...
have a kid, Mac and Donald, and then they'll have their kids show.